from a small Indian village, politely declining the offer of German citizenship and senior rank in the German army, proposed by the stalwart of Nazism himself. The world held its breath when he only defeated the host country, Germany, in 1936. He even refused to bow down in front of Hitler. However, Hitler was so overwhelmed by his performance that he desired to buy his hockey stick out of admiration for the three-time Olympic gold medalist. Often called by the name the Indian Hockey Wizard, had aced the national Indian sport so well that he was recognized as one of the most finest hockey players not just in India but across the globe. No parallels can be drawn to his skills till date. He is synonymous to hockey in India, famed for his excellent skills in the sport. He was a hockey stalwart who brought home 3 Olympic gold medals. He was greatest hockey player of India and known as Wizard of Hockey worldwide. He displayed such mastery and control over the ball that more than once authorities across the world broke his hockey stick to check if there was a magnet inside. He for sure had a knack for perfection. He knew his sport well. Once, when he was unable to score in a match, he argued with the match referee about the measurement of the goal post, a move that left many confused. However, to everybody's amazement, he was right. The goalpost was found to be in contravention of the official minimum width prescribed under international rules. As the nation celebrates National Sports Day, the protest for honoring him with Bharat Ratna continues. To give real tribute to such a legendary player, Government of India has decided to celebrate his birthday as the National Sports Day or Rashtriya Khel Divas since 2012. On National Sports Day, President gives away sporting awards such as Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award and the Dhyan Chand Award at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Still guessing who it is? It is Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand was such a great player of hockey that if the ball once stuck in his stick, then it used to remove only after scoring the goal. Major Dhyan Chand had scored more than 400 international goals in his career from 1926 to 1948 while scoring nearly 1000 goals in his entire career. Major Dhyan Chand helped the Indian hockey team to win 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 during his sports career. He has won 3 Olympic gold medals. You will be really amazed to know the journey behind these gold medals. Year 1928, Hockey Federation could not even afford the expenses of sending the team to Olympics. Federation reached out to public and raised the fund but however fell short. Bengal hockey team came forward to help the team which then went on to bag first gold medal. Year 1932. British thought it was waste of money sending Indian hockey team to the Olympics and the other reason being it was much costlier since the team had to travel to Los Angeles which was twice compared to Amsterdam. However, Indian Hockey Federation did not step back. They took loan from Punjab National Bank but still was not at all sufficient. Bengal hockey team once again came forward to help the team. Year 1936. To everyone's surprise, Dhyan Chand was not included in the hockey team which was due to the response by British officer letter to the hockey board. Syed Mohammad Jafar was named as the captain. However, news went viral and due to public pressure, hockey board once again wrote the letter to British Army requesting for Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was then included as captain and Syed Mohammad had to step down. By first half, India was leading by a goal. In the second half, India team started scoring goal after goal. When they reached 6 goals, Germany's goalkeeper attacked Dhyan Chand and Dhyan Chand lost his tooth. Dhyan Chand then went on to teach a lesson to Germany. He and his brother Roop Singh removed their shoes and would take the ball to the goal post and took it back without scoring a goal, just to make fun of German team. It was very unfortunate and shocking scene for Team India after returning to India. There were only 2 persons welcoming the winning team. Team was very much disappointed and returned to their homes sadly. Sports legend who has made his nation proud was all alone in his last days in the general ward of Delhi's AIIMS hospital as he was suffering from liver cancer and was engulfed by financial distress and died in grave financial troubles. Neglected at the hands of his own people, Dhyan Chand felt betrayed and was worried by the plight of hockey in India. Even in his last days, Dhyan Chand could not stop discussing hockey and its future in India. India lost this gem due to cancer on 3rd December 1979. Global names like Hitler and Don Bradman had acknowledged his excellence. Don Bradman complimented Dhyan Chand by saying, "You score goals like runs." Dhyan Chand remains the only hockey player who has won Padma Bhushan Award. On December 1980, Indian Post and Telegraph's department issued a stamp to honor Dhyan Chand. In 2002, the National Hockey Stadium in Delhi was renamed as Dhyan Chand National Stadium to honor the hockey legend. The former Union Sports Minister Vijay Goyal took forward request to the Prime Minister office in 2017 giving Dhyan Chand the due recognition by honoring him with Bharat Ratna. However, to everyone's surprise, instead of Dhyan Chand, the cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar received the award. Legends like Dhyan Chand don't require validation in the form of honors and awards. History has already been etched with their contributions. However, ignorance of the protests and proposals raises the question, are we giving our legends their due share of recognition? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.